Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can turn on the games mode on your Windows 11 operating system. The process is really easy, so let's see how we can do it. So for this you need to open the Settings app. Settings app you can open in a few different ways. The first way is just right clicking on your Windows start icon and then you will be able to see Settings option here. So just click on Settings here. Otherwise, you can just search for Settings app here and then click on Settings, and it's also going to open the Settings app, right? Now, in the left hand side, you will be able to see this section which says Gaming, and then you will be able to see this option which says Games Mode. So by default, it's off, and you can have more information about Games Mode here. It optimizes your PC to play by turning things off in the background. And if you want to look more information about Games Mode, then click on this option. In order to just enable it, just toggle this toggle button and the Games Mode will be enabled on your Windows 11 operating system. So this is how you can enable or turn on Games Mode on your Windows 11 operating system. I hope you've enjoyed this video and I will see you in the next video.